So namaskar bhaiyo behno, I am Shalja Pandey. Welcome back to Plum Pie Shalja. This is the coziest corner of the YouTube for book readers and book collectors also. So today I'm gonna share my TBR list and tell you what all I have piled up till today to read. So let's dive into the video without further ado. So today I'm gonna share 11 books from my TBR list. Those are trendies and some of them you must have read. And कुछ तो ऐसी हैं that I am planning to read, but they are something that I would not like to read. I'm forcing myself to read some books. I know it's toxic, but here am I doing some things that are not meant to do. So the first book from the TBR list of mine is the Imperial series. You must have heard somewhere around the internet Imperial series. The Imperial series consists of mainly 3 books. The first one is The Fourth Wing, the second one is The Iron Flame, and the third one is Onyx Storm. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. So all these 3 books are fantasy based books about dragons, and they are mainly about Violet and Xaden, I guess, and it's about some people going to elite schools to learn about dragons, I guess. I'm not very sure. I have heard a lot about this book, and to the conclusion, I have decided to read this series as soon as possible because it is hyped so much around the booktube and bookstagram that I am going to read it now. So the second book that I am planning to read is the Shatter Me series. I don't think I need to tell anything about this book. This book is quite popular and people are literally drooling on Aaron Warner. I don't know if I'll like him or not. It can disappoint me, it can make me giggle. What will happen, God knows. I'll read this whole book. I have decided. Not the book, but if I'll like it, I'll read the whole goddamn series. So the next book is The Housemaid by Frida McFadden. She writes basically about thriller mostly, as much I have heard, and I read thriller very less. I basically don't read thriller, so this will be a great one to start with the thriller. I have heard that people start with thriller by Frida McFadden only. So Housemaid, I don't know about anything about this book. I'm just blindly paying upon this book and trying to read it. Similarly, the I guess fourth one in the row is Never Lie. Again, this is by me, Frida McFadden, who is same as I told. This one is also about thriller, and I don't know what will I expect from this book, but I am planning to read it. Now the next is the White Nights by Fyodor Dostoevsky, who is a Russian writer, and he is mainly popular around people who love to read classical literature. Classical literature I have read in class 8th to class 10th, and after that I think I have avoided reading classical literature, but whenever I read any book in the genre of classical literature, I've always loved it. And if you are an ICSE board student, you can relate with me. I bet on this that William Shakespeare is like जैसे कि father of computer होता है, he is father of literature for the ICSE students. Whether it's Hamlet, Merchant of Venice, or any other book written by him, he is like at the top in the classical literature. So distract नहीं होते हैं, and going forward, one more fantasy book that I am planning to read is The Serpent of the Wing of Night. But cover इसका बहुत अच्छा था, and जितना मैंने इसके बारे में सुना है, it's about vampires, and I love to read it. पता नहीं क्यों currently I have been obsessed with, like literally obsessed with fantasy books, and जैसे कि I was researching upon the fantasy books, I heard about the Imperial series, and Harry Potter तो मेरा बचपन से is quite popular around the booktube and bookstagram, so I will लव टू रीड इट एंड इसका कवर इतना प्रिटी है ना, यहाँ कहीं फ़ोटो लग जाएगी, इसके कवर इतना ज़्यादा प्रिटी है ना कि यू विल नॉट एबल टू रेजिस्ट योर सेल्फ बिफोर रीडिंग इट. So the next book is also a fantasy book, The Six of Crows, and इसके बारे में मुझे सीरियसली कुछ नहीं पता. So ये बुक बस मुझे कवर अच्छा लगा था एंड आई हैव हर्ड अबाउट इट अलॉट, मतलब रिकमेंड तो बहुत लोग करते हैं. सो द नेक्स्ट बुक इज गॉड ऑफ मेलिस. So if you are a Rina Kent reader, you will relate this more. I am not a Rina Kent reader. I haven't read not even a single book of Rina Kent. So I don't know whether I like. Sometimes love DR books. Only two types of DR books. One are cute. No, DR can't be cute. One is fine. And the second one is super cringy. Either they'll be so super cringy. I love to read them. Personal favorite books. But there is nothing in between than cringe and being great. Either they are super great or either they are cringe. There is nothing in between when it comes to DR books. Next book in my TBR list is The London Sweets. It is by an Indian author. She is Shrishti Chaudhary, and I have so many reads of her promoting her books, and I have heard that it gives very Bollywood vibes. So जी हाँ, मैंने सुना है कि सृष्टि जी की बुक बहुत ज़्यादा ही बॉलीवुड टाइप्स ऑफ वाइब्स, मतलब कि एक इंडियन को क्या ही चाहिए, इतना डेलुलू में जी लो कि कोई सोलुलू ही ना मिले, बस वही डेल्यूशनल से वर्ल्ड में जाना है. सो आई हैव डिसाइडेड टू पिक two books from three books from Shrishti Chaudhary's writings. That is The London Sweets that I have told. The second is Once Upon a Curfew, and the third one is Shimla Fair. I'm very excited to read all of them. Quite excited. अभी तो इतना ही है, इतना कम नहीं है. एक सीरीज जितनी मैंने बताई है, दे आर वेरी 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 लेंदी. शैटर में ही ले लो, एटलीस्ट 8 बुक्स हैं समथिंग उसमें है. पढ़ना तो काफ़ी मुश्किल है, बट आई मैनेज टू रीड. वैसे बोर्ड्स हैं तो पढ़ना बहुत ही मुश्किल हो जाता है, एंड फोर्स रीडिंग तो मैं नहीं करती हूँ, कभी कभी छोड़ के नहीं करती हूँ, क्योंकि सिलेबस वगैरह मैनेज करना बहुत ज़्यादा मुश्किल हो जाता है. बट कुछ नहीं, बस यही सब है. So that's it for the video. This was my chaotic yet very 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 interesting to me. I don't know of you. मेरे लिए तो इंटरेस्टिंग था, आपको तो नहीं पता. So this was the whole TBR video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and बस इतना ही चाहिए. Bye bye.